Hey Nine, are you tame? Yeah, you are. You're my little baby. Yeah. You want to come fly on my head, huh? There you go. You're tame. How do I stop the thing? Hey Zorro, are you tame? Yeah, you're my little baby. There you go. Go on. Good bird. Hey guy, are you tame? Yeah, you are. You're my baby. Go on. Good bird. Hi, Pokey. Are you tame? You are. You're just lazy. You say, I prefer you pick me up. Isn't that right? Go on. Okay. There you go. Good bird. You're my baby. Hi, Sanford. Are you tame? I don't think so. Not finger tame. Yeah, you're like, what the heck? But you will. Come up here. Yeah, very good. And you'll go back. Very good. You're my baby. You have some feathers out of place on your chest. You look like a pied, sort of, but you're not. Hi, Mitch. Now, I know you're not tame. There ain't no way you're stepping up on this finger. Ooh, you might make a liar out of me? Oh my gosh. First time ever, and I've had you for over 2 years. I don't think you've ever just got on my finger, but I think it's only because you're tired from flying around in a rather unfamiliar room. But you're always more than happy to get on here, huh? Yeah, that's how you go home at night, huh? Very good. You're my baby. Hello, Sulvari. Now, a year and a half ago, when you were brand new to the world, I held you a lot, but you never learned to appreciate that. Okay, and now you're on the bathroom floor. Hello again, Sulvari. I know you don't appreciate the finger, but you don't mind this. That's how you go home at night too, huh? Yeah. You're such a good bird. It's a pretty bird. You're my baby. Hi, James. Okay, I already know you're not finger tame, but we'll show everybody that this is how you go home at night. Yeah. You don't mind riding around like this, do you? Wee. Wee. It's a good bird. Go on. Good bird. You're my baby. Hi, Nash. Now I already know you are not tame at all. You do not ever get on the stick to go nighty-night. It's always, you insist, well, you don't insist, but you need to be caught. Oh, hello, you're on my shoulder. Please do not bite me. Okay. Okay, we got you back on here. Can you step up? Come on, it'll be your first step up ever in your life. Come on. Step up. Come on, Nash. Aw, good bird. That's a good bird. Anyway, I had to catch him just to bring him in here. I had to catch him just to get him on the playpen. And I figure, well, he's only one of a few that are not tamed, so I'll work on taming him. So he got a wing clip. And we'll just work with him. It will be the only wing clipping of his life. When I go to tame a bird, I give them one chance. If they don't get tamed, that's fine. Isn't that right? Okay, let's see. see if he'll step up on my finger then. This will be the first ever. Well, other than when he was a baby. Can you step up? You're very warm. Come on. Come on, Nash. Come on, that's a good bird. Very good. You're my baby. That's a good bird. Okay, step up. Or not. You like the finger, huh? Okay. You're such a pretty bird. You're my pretty bird. Say bye-bye.